Good afternoon. So today we will be trying to make a passage plan from Goa to Richards Bay. One is in India and the next is in South Africa. So before you watch this video, I will ask you to please watch the first video in the series about chart catalog. The whole chart catalog is explained in that video, so that you will find it very easy to understand how a passage plan is done. So I won't be going into the details of how the chart catalog can be used now. I'll be just telling you how the passage plan can be made. So this is our Admiralty Chart Catalog. It's a 2021 edition, also called NP131. So the first paper I'll be going to is limits of the chart Admiralty chart indexes. So I'll be going to, since I'm going from India to South Africa, I'll be making a line here, and in that I'll be selecting H1. H1 covers this area, H covers this area, A and A1 covers this area, and G1 covers this place. So I'll be writing down the list as H1, H, A and A1, then comes G1. These are the papers I will be turning to find out the charts. The next comes the chart indexes, the general chart of the ocean. This is the ocean chart. So I'll again draw a line from India to South Africa, and I can, as you can see, 4072, this line is joining the whole area. So 4072 chart is covering this section. So I'll write down 4072. Next comes the charts in a comparable scale. Again the same routine applies. I'll be drawing a line and I will be selecting the charts. As you can see, the charts I need to select will be 4705. Next it is connected with 4703. The next chart it is connecting is 4702, and comes 4700. So you will have to ask your master if you are going from the east of Madagascar or the west of Madagascar. If you are going to the west of Madagascar, the chart will be 4701. So I am taking a passage as from the east of Madagascar. So I will write down the next charts here: 4705, 4703, 4702, and 4700. Next comes all the indexes. Once the indexes is starting, I will only go in this order. I cannot go from H to H1, A and G. So I will be always following this routine, and I will be writing down the charts as H1 has how many charts. I will be going to H1. So I will be turning to the section H1. H1 comes here, H1, and the Goa charts. The Goa charts, I will have to find out where Marmagoa is. Marmagoa is written here. So first and foremost, I will be selecting the harbor charts. That is the most important thing. Always find the departure and arrival harbor charts. So departure harbor chart and arrival harbor chart. So Marmagoa is written as IN2078. IN2078. I'll write down departure IN2078. Again in H1 I'll write down 2078. I'll be drawing out a line. I'll be coming out. So I'll just draw a line so that I'll come out. Next, IN2078 is connected with IN2022. Then comes IN215, IN 257, then 2738 and IN22. So I'll be coming out like this. So I'll write down the charts as IN2078, next comes IN2022, IN215, IN257 is an optional chart, then comes 2738, and I can either use IN293 or IN22. Because I am coming out like this, I might be using IN293, so I'll write down IN293. So to confirm if this is the Goa approach chart, I'll just go to this, the next page behind it is the list of charts, all the charts. So I'll find out IN2078. So 2078 is IN2078 Port of Mormugao. You can see it here. So Port of Mormugao chart is a departure chart. So I'll be using this. Then these are all the charts I'll be using in H1. And as you go down, you can see it's already written go to H. Go to H. H is behind, so this is H. This is the area we have come up to, somewhere around here. To find out where you are, you can always use the latitude and longitude. So I don't know where I am here, so I'll go back to H1, find out which lat and long I am in. I am coming out to somewhere this place, so that will be around 5 degree north and 065 degree long. This lat long I will be taking so that I can correct my position back. So I'll be somewhere around here, 065 and 05 degree north. So I'll be somewhere around here. I'll be just joining a line again. So this area is not having any charts as per this plan, but the ocean charts and 4703 or 4702 will be covering this place. That was the chart that was in the comparative scale. After I draw a line, I'll again find out which charts I need. 717 is there, next comes 3905, and we are already to the bottom of Madagascar. So 3906 will come because 3906 is connected to 3905. So on H I will write down 717 connected to 3905 connected to 3906. You can see 3906. Once you come here, again take the lat long. It is nearly 047 or 048 and 27 degrees south, 27 degrees south and 047 degree east. So the next chart is A and A1, because as you can see here, there is no more areas coming up. If you are coming through here, the G1 would have been coming up, but since you are not coming down from here, you will be out into the Indian Ocean, so the ocean charts will come. So A and A1. Again I will go back to A and A1, A and A1, A and A1. These were the charts I was using. A was somewhere around here we came. So the chart is 4070. 4070 is coming up already. 4070, 4070, no, 4072 is coming up. 4072 is coming up. You can see 4072. So 4072 we had already selected at first. 4072 was already selected at first. Then A1 again, the charts in comparative scale we had already selected 4701. It comes till here. No, 4702 came till here, and 4700 starts from here. So we have a connecting charts between the normal charts. So plan your passage to somewhere south of Madagascar. Then comes G1. If you are confused, you can always go and check H. Under H, under the section H, if you are somewhere south of Madagascar, you will see G1. That means you have to go and search G1. So A and A1, since we have already selected all the charts in this area, so I am not writing it down again. These are the ocean charts. Now next one I need is G1. So G1, I'll go G1 is here. Once you come here, you will see 3906 came till here. Somewhere we will be coming around somewhere here. 027, then we will be around here. So the ocean charts will apply here. And once you come here, Richards Bay is somewhere around here. So you'll have to plan a passage like this, and you will get connected because you are already at 027 degree is here, and 035 the coordinates will be coming around here. So this chart will be getting connected with A and A1. So you draw a line joining this. Next chart will be 3300. Then comes 4174 and 4173. 4172, 4172, 4173 and 4174. So if you are, I'll just write down the charts here. 3300, 4172, 4173, 4174. So these many charts I'll be using, and to find out if my arrival port chart is correct, I'll just go back to this line and see 4174. 74 is Richards Bay Harbor. 4173 is approaches to Richards Bay Harbor. 4172 is Teluga River to Ponda do Oro. So all these charts I'll be taking. So my passage plan is made. The most important part of planning a passage is the arrival departure charts and the connecting charts. So even if you missed out some charts in between, if you have an ocean chart, you can get the lat long and you can make a passage, but I will advise against it. But the worst comes to worst, you have that option. Once we finish finding out the charts, the next thing we'll have to go is we'll finish all the sections. P, Q, T, U, W. Next comes the planning charts. All these planning charts, world reference charts, all those you will find out if you need it. So We will take a mnemonic chart if you are going in west to east direction for a long run, but we are going nearly like this, so we won't be needing a mnemonic chart. So the world planning charts will be needed only when you are doing a big passage. Since we are not going in an east to west direction, this chart is not needed. Then comes the routing charts. The routing charts will give you the weather for every month of the year. So since we are planning a passage from here to here, the routing charts that apply will be 4174 Arabian and Red Sea and 5125 South Atlantic Ocean. If your ship is only transversing within this area, better you can go 5126 the Indian Ocean. These are all overlapping, so you won't find it difficult. So since we are nearly here, you have an option of 5125 or 5126. I will take 5147 and 5125 because if the ship goes back here, I will have an option of using this chart again. So the routing charts, I will write down routing charts 5147 and 5125. I can order all the charts for 12 months or for the month you are going, so it's up to you how you order it. Then the mariner's routing guides. Routing guides are not used anywhere here, so we will be not using routing guides here. Security charts. Since the ship is transversing high risk areas, this security chart will be applying. So 6099 can be used. That is a chart for Gulf of Aden and Arabian Sea. We will be using 6099. Next security chart is Q6099. Later comes planning charts and approach guides. Since we are going to the South Africa, we will just go to Africa and find if there is any chart for Richards Bay. So Richards Bay is having a chart, approach planning chart and port approach guides. So that chart will be planning and port approach guides chart will be 8019. Next comes plotting sheets. All those we are not using because we are not going in a long distance voyage. Then comes the publications. So the charts you have all finally finished. These are the list of charts you will be ordering. You will confirm with the master which you want. Then the publications. So the publications that are standard are the Mariner's Handbook NP 100. So I will write it down. I will write it down finally. NP 100, paper chart maintenance record. We are not in a active ship. Ocean Passage of the World, volume 1 and 2. How to keep your Admiralty products up to date. Distance table, voyage system, symbols and abbreviations used on paper charts. So the list of publications will be NP 100, 133, 133A, 136. We'll take both the volumes 1 and 2. Then 249, NP 350, then NP 735 and NP 5011. These are the publications, standard publications that we will be using. Next comes Admiralty sailing directions. This is the pilot volumes, so we have to find out which all we will be using. Once we go to the pilots, we will again draw a line joining India and the Africa. So the books that we will be using will be NP 38, 39 and 3. NP 38, 39 and 3. So I will be writing down ASD 39, 38 and 3. The next publication we will be searching for is ALFS. Again the list is given here. You will have to just draw a line connecting India to South Africa. So volume D and volume F will apply. So that will be ALFS NP 79 and NP 77. Next will be the tide tables. So tide, again I'll be drawing a line here, comes under volume 3. So I'll take volume 3. Volume 3 is 203, NP 203. So tide, I will write tide tables NP 203. Next comes tidal atlases. We are not going to use it. Then the ALRS. ALRS is of 6 volumes. Volume 1 part 1. This for volume 1 part 1. So we are only going in 281. So we will be using only 281. Volume 2 again we will be in 2821. Again volume 3 you will be in 2831. Volume 4 is a single edition. You will only use volume 4 and volume 5 are single editions. And volume 6 we will draw a line 2868 and 2864. So ASD, ALFS tide table, then ALRS NP 2864, 2868, 285, 284, 2831, 2821 and 2811. These are the publications we will be using. Then comes the astronomical publications. The nautical almanac, we will be using it. Site reduction tables, if they want, they will be using, and the star finder and identifier. This is an important publication. So we will be writing down NP 314, NP 303 and NP 323. After this, these are the cumulative and annual summary of notice to mariners. You will be recurring 2871 2 both, and depending on the month 283A or 283B. Now we are already in August, so I'll be using 2834B. So I will write down notice to mariner annual and cumulative 243B, 2471 and 2472. All these have been explained in old videos, so I'll advise you to find details of how to use all these publications there. Then comes lesser we are not using. That's it. So this is how we'll plan a passage. That's the end of this book. So once you plan a passage, you will have to write down the arrival and departure charts, list out all the sections that are going to be used, find out charts for those sections. If there is a connectivity issue, check whether the ocean charts connect the both places. And even if you are going from maybe Brazil to China, maybe you will be using mnemonic charts for great circle sailing. Else, write down all this, and if you find this charts and publication list, planning a passage is very easy. You'll have to just find out the lat longs and connect it. So this is how a passage plan is made for Goa to Richards Bay. These are the publications and charts that are required. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.